study about the chromosome. So first of all, we must be know about what is the literal meaning of chromosome. The literal meaning of chromosome, that is mainly derived from two words, that is chroma and zome. Chroma means color and zome means body, so that we can say that the kinds of colored body mainly present in the cells, that is known as chromosome. So next one is what are the location of particular chromosome inside the cells. The chromosome that is mainly located in the nucleus of the cells, and it is also located in the subcellular organelles like mitochondria and chloroplast also. So chromosome that can be studied in three parts. First one is the structure, component, and last one is the types. And next one is we will study about structure of chromosome. This is the figure of particular chromosome, and this figure that is consist of arm like structure on upper side, on lower side, and this arm like structures that is known as chromatid, and upper chromatid that is relatively shorter than lower one, and upper chromatid that is known as p arm, and lower chromatid that is known as q arm. And this is the place where both kinds of chromatid get joined to each other, and this place that is known as centromere or primary constriction. Inside the centromere or primary constriction, the protein plate-like structures will be present, and these kinds of protein plate-like structures mainly help in the splice of chromosome into the chromatids during the cell division, and these structures that is known as kinetochore. Next one is further a chromosome like body mainly get attached to the main body of the chromosome through the secondary constriction, and this kinds of body that is known as satellite chromosome, and this satellite chromosome mainly utilized in case of DNA fingerprinting. Next one is when we will decondense the further chromosome into the following structures, then we will find this kinds of structures. This structures that is known as solenoid model of chromatin, and this solenoid model of chromatin that is consist of 13 nm diameter, 30 nm diameter, not 13. So this kinds of solenoid model of structures that can be further decondensed, and we will find the chromatin fiber that is consist of 11 nm diameter, and this chromatin fiber that is consist of DNA and some kinds of histone protein also. And next one is we will further decondense these structures, and we will find the main genetic materials that is the DNA, and which consist of only 2 nm diameter. So this is the main monomeric units of the particular chromosome. So we have already studied about the ultra structures of chromosome. Next portion is components of chromosome. Components of chromosome generally comprises into DNA, histone protein, and non-histone protein. And DNA, that is the kinds of double helical structures mainly present inside the cells in their nucleus, and DNA mainly consists of following components. First one is the pentose sugar, and second one is the nitrogenous base, and third one is the phosphate group. Pentose sugar that is consist of, in case of DNA, that is deoxyribose sugar, and nitrogenous base that is consist of this kinds of nitrogenous bases. First one is the adenine, guanine, thymine, and cytosine. Last one is the phosphate group. Phosphate group that is also present in case of DNA and terminal end, and this is mainly essential for the formation of phosphodiester bond which get stabilize that particular DNA. Next component of the chromosome that is the histone protein, and histone protein that is a kind of basic protein that generally comprises with the arginine and lysine maximally, and this is the histone protein which is mainly consist of following types. First one is the H2A, second H2B, third H3, and fourth H4, and this four histone protein mainly known as nucleosome protein, nucleosome histone protein, and last one is that is H1 histone protein that is known as linker histone. Last one is the non-histone protein. Non-histone protein that is also consist of topoisomerase and other kinds of proteins which is mainly involved in the condensation and decondensation process of chromosome. Next one is types. How many types of chromosome mainly present in the particular cells? These are the following kinds of chromosome mainly present in the cells on the basis of location of the centromere. First one is the metacentric chromosome. Metacentric chromosome, that is a kinds of chromosome in which the centromeres mainly located in the middle of chromosome. In another word, we can say that P arm, that is totally equal to Q arm. This is the figure of metacentric chromosome. Next one is submetacentric chromosome. Submetacentric chromosome, that is centromere slightly displaced towards the terminal end from the middle one. In another word, we can say that P arm, that is less than Q arm. This is the figure. Next one is acrocentric chromosome. What is about acrocentric chromosome? The centromere maximally displaced towards the terminal end. So we can say that P arm, that is very less than Q arm. This is the figure of acrocentric chromosome. Last one is the telocentric chromosome. Telocentric chromosome means that is the centromere mainly situated on the terminal end of chromosome. So only one arm is present in that kinds of chromosome. So this is the figure of telocentric chromosome. So in this video we have already studied about the chromosome completely. So thank you.